Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel, TechTinktronics. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be doing a new Excel VBA password generator. And as you see, it generates the passwords right there for you, and it also copies it to your clipboard. You can see how I can just paste it right there. Cool. All right, so that's what we're dealing with is the Excel password generator. We're going to take a look at some of the code. So I'm going to get that loaded up here for us. All right. So I'll have the code on the site and everything for you. You can download it via my Google Drive. But let's get back to it. So I have the code up. And basically, this is the code you could download. I set the sheet up. You could download it in a spreadsheet. It starts with, we're going to declare some variables. And the reason we have to declare variables, we have to declare all variables, is that explicitly declaring variables and data types may result in a slightly more efficient and faster macro. As you've seen, this macro runs pretty quick. And we declared all variables. So real quick, we declared the length. We needed the character as a variant. We needed X as a long, and str as a string. Okay. The next step is we get the length of the requested password and check if it's greater than 0. So to get the length, basically, I set length as equal to sheet 1 range C3 value. This was the simplest way I could do it, ladies and gentlemen. So we get the length of the requested password by first, we'll have it entered in sheet C3. So I'll go back here and look at our sheet. You'll see that it's entered. I have it entered as a value. That's cell C3. Okay. And then the next thing we need to do is check if the length, we use an if statement to check if the length is less than 1. So we're checking the length of the requested password. This code will not work without a positive value in cell 3. So the next step is we would do we have to store all the possible characters that are going to be used in this randomly generated string. This is so the code is be self-sufficient and efficient when generating passwords. So let's take a look at that. I just typed every character on the password in this array here. And so that you guys don't have to do all that, you can actually download my sheet, as I said before. Then on step 5, we're going to link 1, or from X to 1 basically. And this is going to make the code run for as many characters as necessary to generate the complete password. So that's what we have going on here. This is the for statement. For X equal to 1 to length, we're going to use the randomize string equals random code in the next X. That's the heart and soul of this code. Every line is important, but that is important as well. And real quick, let's see here. We want to print the password in the cell below so that we know that the code has successfully ran. So that's what this part of the code will do for us. The code and the clipboard. So we put the password in the clipboard essentially. This allows us to paste the password where we would need it. So that is what I do here. Up here, we just use a with statement with new MS Forms data object set text, and we put the sheet C4 range C4 value in the clipboard. And that's how my code runs. Basically, if you want to get that code, you could get it off the site. And if you benefited, subscribe to my channel. If you like what I have to offer, like it. If you don't like it, dislike it, whatever. But thank you for watching and have a great day.